steps are under orders. Then they're off and racing. Sir Ladies Well is the first one to jump out of the gate. The debutant Samani settled at the back of the field as they jumped the first, and they've all cleared it safely. So running on down to the second, Sir Ladies Well and Claire Hobson lead the way from the Great Kalurin and then Pleasure Island. And up on the outside is Sun Lady, one's followed by Lucky to Be Alive. At the back of the field now is Bad and Naughty, who was a little hesitant over the second fence. So racing past the judge with 2 circuits to go, and then they'll swing left-handed and very quickly come up on another playing fence. The orange and black bordered colours of Sir Ladies Well leads the way from Pleasure Island, who's keening up in second place under Mark Wall. In the hoops of Kalurin, the royal blue on the outside of Sun Lady as they jump the third. Behind those races, Melia is racing alongside Dig Deeper, and the very dark colours of Lucky to Be Alive as they racing now onto the open ditch. Then the pink colours of Pathflow Samani, who's taking quite a keen hold there, racing in 9th place under Tom Ayres. Behind Samani is Biddle's Bedouin as they go over the ditch, and Sir Ladies Well made a mistake there and has surrendered the lead to Kalurin, who's just showing in front. On the inside is Pleasure Island, right up on the outside. Another one who's taken a keen hold is Sun Lady. Detached at the back of the field is Bad and Naughty. So on to another playing one. So Ladies Well has come back to jump in front and clearing that one all safely over it. All the leaders that made a mistake was Pleasure Island. So they've got this long run now, sweeping left-handed turn to bring them back towards home. And the steady gallop, steadier than Division 1, Sir Ladies Well leads the way for Claire Hobson. And up on the outside, Sun Lady. And then comes Kalurin on the inside in third. Behind that one, Pleasure Island, the favourite Dig Deeper, travelling nicely as you would expect at this early stage for Sam Davis Thomas in 5th. If they just disappear briefly, come back into view to line up fence number 6. It's still Sir Ladies Well, and on the outside Sun Lady, and on the inside Kalurin, all 3 in the air together. Another mistake at the back of the field by Bad and Naughty. Racing in 4th is Pleasure Island, and then Dig Deeper, and then in midfield those red, black and white colours of Melia as they take the 7th, and then one who's lost a few places but still well in touch is Lucky to Be Alive. Pathflow, Biddle's Bedouin and Samani make up that leading 10, and they race half a dozen lengths clear of Bad and Naughty as they go into the dip and behind the barns and climb up to jump fence number 8. Once again, that leading trio, little to choose between the pair. Sun Lady probably took it in front, so Ladies Well has just dropped back into 4th on the outside. So swinging left-handed and quickly on to the next. The lead is clearing it safely. One made a mistake there was Pathway, just packed, but Jamie Goss sat tight, picked him up, onto the next. This will be the last in the circuit's time, and now Sun Lady and Nick Meath have gone on as they jump up. Bad and Naughty hit it hard and is gone. That's our first cap. Bad and Naughty was a faller at fence number 10. Just looking back, the horse is up okay. Can't see Jeff Bartlett's sword just yet, hidden by the crowd. The remaining 10 heading on past the judge with a circuit to go. And it's now Pleasure Island who's taken up the running in David Gill's colours and jumps the next from Kalurin, who races in the centre there. Sun Lady still right there, Melia tracking that leading trio in 4th, and then Dig Deeper just being niggled along there by Sam Davis Thomas in 5th. On the inside of that one is Lucky to Be Alive. Somali still travelling strongly on his debut for Tom Ellis as they go to the ditch. And the leaders stream over Pathway. Sir Ladies Well has dropped right to the back of the field now of the 10 that remain and relegated to last as Biddle's Bedouin goes past that one. So the others are heading on to the last in this section of the course. Just looking back, they may not jump what was the final fence. The leaders streaming over it, and so Ladies Well getting remote now, but Pleasure Island is the leader, and now they've got this long run on the flat. They're all packing up in behind, but Dig Deeper getting very prominent now for Sam Davis Thomas. Right up on the outside still is Kalurin, and then Amelia is close in fourth, and Lucky to Be Alive. Sun Lady beginning to weaken. Parklow's under pressure. Biddle's Bedouin losing touch, and Sir Lady's Well is tailing off. I don't think they'll be jumping what will be the final fence. So as they swing left-handed, they're in the dip at the moment. They've just got 4 left to take in the Brian Curry Open Maiden Division 2. And here they come back into view down to what will be the 4th last. Pleasure Island on the inside, every chance up on the outside. Dig Deeper didn't get very high though. But as they go now, this will be the 3rd from the finish. Dig Deeper goes to the front, but Amelia right there with every chance for Sean O'Keefe. Samani, who's really caught the eye in his debut, absolutely walked through that, but he's a close 3rd. Pleasure Island is struggling in 4th. Lucky to Be Alive is hard driven and struggling. Kalurin is weakening, as is Sun Lady, but they're in the depth. Onto, this will be the 2nd last. Dig Deeper, Amelia within a length in 2nd as they go to the 3rd last, and Amelia comprehensively out-jumped Dig Deeper and takes it up. Samani has got tired in 3rd, but has run well on his debut. Down to the 2nd last, the favourite's got to live up to his name here because he's got 2 lengths to find. Amelia, Sam Davis Thomas, that responds well to Dig Deeper and quickens on to the front by half a length. They're going to miss this fence out. It's Dig Deeper by 3 parts of a length. Amelia trying to fight back, but Dig Deeper, a really nice type. Looks like he's holding Amelia, he's fighting back. It's going to be close. We'll leave it to the judge. Dig Deeper and Amelia. And looking back for 3rd and 4th, that's another tight one. Kalurin and Lucky to Be Alive. Then comes Sun Lady. Samani, who weakened, having got himself very handy at one stage. And then the others, I wouldn't be sure if they'd pulled up or completed. And time for the 2nd division. 6 minutes, 19 seconds.